Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Are you planning on LS swapping your OBS truck? Look no further than the G-Force LS Swap motor mount kit. So what's nice about these is that they come with polyurethane motor mounts, and these are the frame side mounts, so these will replace your stock clamshells. And it's nice because they do have polyurethane bushings. It allows for a more controlled vibration dampening, but also gives you the performance of a polyurethane mount. They also come with the engine side mounts, which convert your once small block over to the LS engine. So this motor mount kit makes it easy to LS swap your 88 to 98 OBS Chevy truck. And if you want to find out more about these or any of our other swap mounts, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.